buy of the day. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. A lot of the stuff we've seen this before from last time we had the special buy of the day. There's some new stuff here, so some good stuff, or just stuff that we have to go over again, that are good. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we still have this 12 tool combo kit. It's a great combo kit for somebody that's starting out. They're gonna get almost every single hand tool they're gonna need for their house. You got angle grinders all the way to nail guns and miter saws, all kinds of stuff. So this is a really good deal for somebody that's just starting out with the house. $649. This is a really good deal, very inexpensive. $99 will get you a reciprocating impact driver, battery, and a light charger. And then we got the 4-mode 1/2 inch impact wrench with 4 amp hour high output battery, or high performance. Milwaukee, and they're almost the same. So $159 for this one. This is not a bad deal. It's actually pretty good. $199 for this one. This was a circ saw. You got what is this? Multi-tool reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, lights, a buffer there for $199. You got the same thing with the reciprocating saw. You got a light and a vacuum here, $119. It's a pretty good deal. $269. Oscillating tool with the kit, $109. It's just with the blade kit, not with batteries. This is actually pretty decent. Reciprocating saw, $109. You got a drill driver here, compact subcompact drill driver with 2 batteries, $129. This is actually a much better deal. You guys look at the difference here. This one's brushless 1/2 inch hammer drill. This one's 1/2 inch brushless. Oh, this is just a brushless drill driver. Still, I don't know why this one does have the handle and this one does not. Should be backwards, right? This one should have the handle and this one shouldn't. But it is $99. It's actually a pretty good deal for this one. You got a circular saw kit with 4 amp hour battery, $129. This is a 3-tool combo kit, 6.5 circular saw, $199. Reciprocating saw, multi-tool oscillating tool. These are some of the stuff we've seen them before, so if you guys missed them out, $199 is you got impact driver, drill driver, and then you got a ratchet there for $199. You got what is this? A hammer drill, impact driver, 2 batteries, oscillating tool, $509. All right, this one's same thing with the impact driver, $469. Same thing with the circular saw. These are not the best deals, but they're okay deals. These are brushless. We got the same thing with the circ saw and the jigsaw. These are brushed tools. These are not brushless. $189. It's a little expensive. This was actually not a bad deal. I believe it was wasn't it $500 or something like that. We do have 20 volt max. Some of you guys, I believe I don't know if it was this kit or a similar kit to this one, but some of you got these for like really crazy, like cheap, like $50 or $100, I believe it was. A lot of you, that was a while back, and that was just for a few hours. It was like a glitch. So you got the 20 volt max cordless 7-tool combo kit with tough case, 4 amp hour batteries and charger. You got some brushless tools. Looks like the drill is brushless. I don't know if the impact driver is brushless. The sander is, and the oscillating tool. So $479 for that one. You got a decent deal. It's actually not too bad. You got looks like an impact driver and a circular saw with the 5 amp hour battery, $249. I got some more Ryobis here, $159 for the variable speed polisher, and then you got the detail polisher sander, $99. You got a regular polisher, $89. Got the ratchet, $159. It's not a bad deal, especially for these long neck ratchets. These tend to be a little bit more expensive. I got another polisher, buffing polisher. Not a polisher, it's a buffer. So $79 for this. You got some polishing pads, correcting pads. You got what is this? Miter saw, $279. oscillating tool 109. All right, you got. Wasn't this cheaper? Still not too bad. It's a 6 amp hour and a 3 amp hour. For 169, but I believe this was cheaper. All right, you got the ratchet. You got the looks like a right angle, and then you got the looks like a die grinder. 329. You got looks like a stubby, a right angle ratchet, and then a right angle impact wrench. 479. Now this one's still a pretty good deal. Pretty good, actually, really good deal. It's the Fuel Gen 2 brushless saw with reciprocating saw with the angle grinder 309. All right, you got the speed feed auger bits, 1997. These are, well, this one's a really good deal. There's, all right, so you got the DeWalt. On this one, I believe you're paying, isn't this like $599 by itself? So you are paying $29 for the, let's see here. Which one's this one? 779 or the? I just hate the way they have the design here. DWX lightweight aluminum design storage. I wonder what. It's hard to see where that's at. Alright, so it's the 780. This one's actually $599. So you're paying $29. This is actually a pretty good deal. Definitely check it out. If you need one, pick it up. It's not a like a super Black Friday deal, but you know it's pretty good actually. This one's pretty good too. This one's $3.99. This one's a table saw, a compact table saw, 8 1/4. You got some DeWalt titanium pilot point drill bits, 29 piece, $49.97. You got a looks like a scoping saw, plastic laminates. Looks weird. It's more Dremel. Yeah, they do all kinds of weird stuff. So you got $90 for that one. You got universal dual interface carbide flush cutting oscillating tool blade, $69. You got a Dremel Multimax 5 amp variable speed corded oscillating multi tool kit on some sort of Dremel, so or grinder, die grinders, just for smaller stuff. So $169 for that. You got the Cordless Gen 2 Super Hog and the saw. $3.99. This is surely it's a really good deal on this one. You got the DeWalt drill driver 12-piece set, $21.97. Oh, these are all sold out. Why am I even going? Yeah. Where's the little X? They usually put a little X by the, I don't know. So they got the half-inch SAE metric ratchet socket mechanics tool set, 55 down to actually it's $199. You got the pack out backpack, $89.97. You got a red stick level, expandable box level, 78 inches to 100. Oh, you can extend it. Nice. So $259 for that. You got half an inch, 24-inch breaker bar. You got another level here, $179. It looks like it's expandable. You got looks like a fastback folding utility knife and set of 11-to-1. Stripper, wire stripper, cutter, plier, $43.97. You got a hammer, it's 22-ounce hammer. You got a demo screwdrivers, $29.97. You got a 1/4-inch 3/8 drive socket set, 34 piece, $29.97. Got a chrome vanadium, 192 piece, $169. DeWalt 1/4-inch 3/8 dry polish chrome mechanics tool set, 108 piece, 108 piece, $49.90. Not too bad little kit there. You got a Tough System shallow tool tray, $7.97. These actually were on sale. The bigger ones were on sale for like $9. They sold out quick. But yeah, this one I wouldn't say this one's like you need it because it's not really like a crate. It's most like a little teeny beany tray there. You got a 3/8 drive socket set with tough system tray. It's not a bad deal. $69.97. Got a mechanics 156 piece, $179. Got a tough system 2.0 shallow 2 tray with tough system 2.0 large toolbox, $75. Got a 3.5 folding utility knife, carbon fiber handle, $34.97. Got a 10-inch multifunction digital level, $19.97. Alright, you got a Husky 1/4-inch dry 6-point pass-through ratchet, 30 piece, $19.97. You got a Fat Max tape measure, $24.97. This is 40 feet. Is that a 40 feet? Wow, it's pretty big. You got a 20-ounce rip claw hammer, $19.97. You got some camouflage utility shears, pocket knife bonus 2-pack, $29.97. You got a Black & Decker portable workbench, $79.97. You got, oh, this one's the deep cut. This one's the deep tray I was telling you guys. It's $9.97. It was $9.97, but it sold out. Yeah, this one was the one that I was telling you guys. You got a 22-inch tough system 2.0 deep tray. It's actually not a bad little deal here. You do get the tough system 2.0 for $80, and then you got 2 deep trays like this one. So that's pretty good. So you're got $70, 60. So you're getting this for $60 according to what the prices are here. Got the DeWalt 24-inch beam level. Oh, these are all sold out. Home Depot. I don't know what's up. Yeah, these are all sold out. Guys, that's it for today. Pretty much almost the same thing as the last time. A few little here and there. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube grows the platform by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.